I'm going to show you how to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube with playlists. Most YouTubers don't know the power of playlists and therefore don't utilize their full potential to grow their channels. In this video, you'll learn the benefits of playlists, how to create the different types of playlists, how to optimize them, how to track their performance, and where you should add them to get the most benefits. Hello, my name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to learn how to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button, then click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Here are some of the top benefits of using playlists to get 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. Keeps people watching more videos. Instead of someone just watching one video, they'll watch several videos in succession. For example, if somebody watches a 3-minute video all the way through, you'll get 3 minutes of watch time. If they watch 3 videos all the way through that are 3 minutes long, you'll get 9 minutes of watch time. This keeps viewers watching more of your videos. Easy way to organize your videos. You can create a series of videos and put them all together in a playlist. When someone watches one of your videos in the playlist, they'll be more inclined to watch a related video. Triggers the YouTube algorithm. When you create a playlist, it creates a new content ID that is different to the video ID. Therefore, you have 2 opportunities to rank in the search engines. You can rank your video watch page and also rank your playlist page. Appear in suggested videos. The more watch time you accumulate, the higher probability of your videos ranking in the search engines. Ability to add related content from other channels. If you're starting your channel from scratch, you can grow your channel by adding playlists from other channels. YouTube will recognize the activity on your channel. Get more views and subscribers. The more time someone spends watching successive videos in a playlist, the higher probability they'll subscribe to your channel. Types of playlists. Adding a video to a series playlist allows the videos in that playlist to be featured and recommended when people are viewing other videos in that playlist. YouTube will then use this information to modify how the videos are presented and discovered. Here are a couple of things to remember when creating a series playlist. You must have a verified YouTube account when using a series playlist. A video can only appear once when used in a series playlist. However, you can add it to multiple regular playlists. Only videos that are uploaded by you or ones you have the rights to can be added to a series playlist. Regular playlists. You can place the same video in multiple regular playlists. I highly recommend creating a series playlist because YouTube will modify the way that the videos are discovered and presented. How to create and optimize a YouTube playlist. Here's a couple of different ways you can create a playlist. So you can click on Playlist from your channel homepage, click New Playlist. You can also click your profile icon, click Create a Studio, click the Video Manager drop-down, click Playlists, and then click New Playlist. Put your playlist title in there. I'll put Test for now. You can select if it's public, unlisted, or private. Click Create. Now you're ready to add some videos, so just click Add Videos. You can do a video search and select videos from other people's channels. You can select a video URL if you know it already, or you can select your YouTube videos. I'm going to select this one for now. Click Add Videos. Okay, here's my first video. And select another one, Add Video. Your YouTube videos. It's number 2, click Add Videos. You notice that the thumbnail of the playlist takes on the thumbnail of the first video in the playlist. Now you can also add a description by clicking on Playlist Settings. If I click on the More icon, or the 3 dots, I can delete this playlist. I can select Add All To, so I can select to watch later, or add it, or even create a new playlist down here. I can also translate the playlist info. I can select a language, which would be English. I can select another language, add a new language, say Arabic, add that language, and I can enter a translated title and a translated description. So I'm going to trash that. If I click Playlist Settings, I can select it as an official playlist, check the box. It says use this setting for sets of videos uploaded to your channel as part of an official series. A video cannot appear in more than one series playlist. YouTube may use this information to modify how the videos are presented or discovered. So I'm going to check that box. I can select if it's going to be public, unlisted, or private. I'm going to check allow embedding so other people can embed my playlist on their websites. In ordering here, you can do manual, date added newest, oldest, most popular, date published newest, date published oldest. I'm going to select manual for now. Then I can check the box add new videos to the top of the playlist. I can also select auto add, so you can define rules for videos to be automatically added to this playlist. Just click add rule, and it says title contains, description contains. You can add rules in here or a tag. You can also click collaborate, and collaborators can add videos to this playlist. If you switch that on, it says invite collaborators to add videos by sharing a link with them. Get link, and you can share this link with your collaborators. So I'm going to leave this off.
Keep watching to get my powerful playlist strategies.
If I go over here to the more link, I can move a video to the top, to the bottom. I can edit notes. This helps the video to get discovered in the search engines. So you can see now I've got add notes, and I can do the same for this one here. I can also use the thumbnail of this video as a thumbnail for the playlist. If I click on these three dots over here, I can shuffle the videos in whatever order I want. So if I got 10 or 15 videos, I can quickly reorder them. And then you can just check your playlist by clicking play all. So here you've got my first video on the playlist, and then you have my series of videos on the right here. You can also share your playlist with these social media icons. Also, you can allow people with a link to add videos. So if you share this link with other people, then they can add their own videos to your playlist. Use this embed code to embed your playlist in your website, or you can email your playlist to people you have the email addresses of. You can also add a section to your channel homepage that contains a playlist. So I've done that already here. So for instance, here I can select a single playlist. I can do save playlists, multiple playlists, or posted playlists. So in this case, I've just got a single playlist. If you want to add a new section, you can just click on add new section. Then you can select the content, like here you got your videos and here you got your playlists. You can also reorder these sections by just clicking on these. You can do a horizontal layout, vertical layout, and you can also reorder these playlists.
Playlist strategies. Place your best performing video at the top of your playlist. This could be the one that attracts the most subscribers or the one that gets the most traffic. Keep your series playlist short. Only add 5 to 7 videos to a series playlist. Keep your playlists updated. Remove videos from your playlist that are not performing well or are outdated. You can replace it with an updated video. Before you create your next video, think about a series of videos that can be bundled together on the same theme. Add every newly published video to a playlist. Add a video to a playlist a few days after it's being published. A playlist has a different content ID to a video, so YouTube will recognize new activity on your channel. Instead of linking to a single video, link to a video in a playlist. This will encourage people to watch related videos. Where to add playlists. Add every video to a series playlist, and you can also add it to multiple regular playlists. Link to a video in a playlist even if it's in the middle of a playlist. Add playlists to the sections of your channel homepage. Link to a playlist in your cards, end screens, comments, and descriptions. Embed a playlist on your website and related websites. Share your playlists on social media sites. Track playlist performance. If you see a playlist performing well, move it to the top of your channel homepage. Go to YouTube Analytics, click the drop down and select playlists. Look at the top 10 playlists in YouTube Analytics. If a playlist is performing well, move it to the top of your channel homepage. If a video is not performing well in a playlist, either remove it or replace it with a better one. If you implement these playlist strategies, you'll be able to get 4,000 hours of watch time on your YouTube channel. Another requirement to enable monetization on your YouTube channel is 1,000 subscribers. Click the card icon to watch my video on how to gain 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. If you want to know how to grow your channel fast this year, click my profile icon and watch the related videos. Download my ebook if you want to learn how to gain prospects and sales using YouTube videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.